Hey guys, today we're going to tap 304 stainless with a Milltronics slant bed lathe. We put our drill bit in and our tap. Now we got to use our tool setter. We're going to do an M51 on the M code. Hit run, start. Tool setter comes down. So then we have our tool 8, we need to set that one. We're gonna go run, tool set, make sure you read the instructions, cycle start. We're gonna hand wheel the X, then we'll hand wheel the Z in to about an 1/8 inch of our tool setter. We're going to read the instructions, enter. These are arrows, so it would be Z towards the spindle. Hit enter. Does its movement, does it twice, one quick, one slow. Turns red. Tool set. Back your Z out to MDI. We got tool 6 as our tap. Make sure you're clear. Tool change. Exit MDI, go run. Tool set. Cycle start. X down. Z in. About an 1/8 inch. Read the instructions. We got enter, 6 towards the spindle, enter, quick movement, slow movement. It's slow. It's fairly quite slow, but it's actually very accurate. So then we're done. Z out. Exit MDI. M52 for us to bring our tool setter up. That's seated. Now we're gonna MDI the tool 8 because I don't like zeroing my part with the tap. We'll go hand wheel. So we're gonna hand wheel. Not sure how I do this with 2 hands, but basically slow it way down, hand wheel until it stops the paper, and you're good to go. Slow speed. Worry about the camera there. The paper stuck. Z 0. Enter 0. And with this machine, that's going to be all tools on your work plane. Back that out. Back that out. There you are. Tools set to run the part. Now we just gotta program it. Alright, so for our half 13 304 stainless steel, we're gonna do a program. First we're gonna set our material length is 1.5. Get that off our square. Material diameter 1 inch. Store next. Here we got tool change to tool 1. We're gonna spin it at 500 RPM. Go in 80 thousandths. We'll spin the drill bit at 425. Feed rate clearance 0.1. Our final depth is going to be negative 1.385 inches, spelled out by our print. we're gonna go to a first depth of 0.5 and increments of 0.2, and it's gonna peck. So it's gonna go in, out, in, out, in, out, and then when it comes back to the peck depth, it's gonna be 0.02 from drilling depth. Then when we're done drilling, we're gonna come out in space, tool change to our tool, run it at 250. Clearance is a little short, 0.5 is nice. We're gonna go in, go out, go back in, make sure the two pages are identical to each other, minus the spindle reverse depth. And then we're gonna go out in space, and then it's gonna go to home, well, relative to home position. So then always verify it. Display auto gets you a close map. Fast speeds this up. So there we are. Now we're ready to run the part. So run, start. Always run your first part slow, just to make sure you don't have any problems, because it's not very good when you run that into that. So we're gonna set our part. We got our square up against the chuck. It's a hydraulic chuck, very nice. Set depth. Come over here. Well, we ran one. We're gonna hit start. Tool 1 is up. Drill bit. Going -1.385 feet. Good coolant helps a lot. Keep friction down. Square of the drill bit top. Basically all your tools. 12 tool heads. Compared to our old 8 tool heads. Tack, remember 0.2 of an inch. Goes in, goes out, place the chip. Now we reach our depth. I'm out in the space for a tool change. 6. Go in. That's the -0.5. Back up, clear the chip. Final depth. Out in space. Extra space for part changing. That's a half 13 tap and 304 stainless.